So several of you had questions on magic E and when to use that word in a sentence and how certain rules change when it comes to magic E. Magic E is also known as silent E and makes huge differences to the sounds, and the meaning of words changes as soon as you use the letter E. So here there are 7 most important rules or features of magic E, if you will. So the first one is magic E can change the sound of the vowel. Okay, so tap becomes tape and sag becomes sage. So the same thing with E sound. From it can change to E. Hug can become huge. Next, magic E can change a hard C or G to a soft C or G. Here you can hear the hard K fact to the soft K face. Here you can hear the hard G G to a soft G J, pig to pigeon. Next rule, magic E keeps I, U and V from being the last letter in a word. This is simply the rule of English. So live, give, blue and lie. These are examples. Next, fourth feature of magic E, it helps differentiate between plural words like tense to tense. Tense is a plural for number 10. So like 20, 20s. So tense is a plural form. When you add E to it, it becomes the word tense, which means nervous or anxious. Tease is a plural form of tea. When you add E to it, it becomes tease, like you're teasing somebody or mocking somebody. Laps are plural forms of lap, and adding an E becomes word lapse, meaning like a time lapse. Next, magic E makes the L sound to the final stable syllable. What that means is puzzle is not puzzly, because the LE sound on each syllable here on the end syllable is the L sound. So it's not puzzly, it's puzzle. It's not jungly, it's jungle. And it's not apply, it's apple. Magic E also changes the sound of th to the sound th. Like bath becomes bathe, cloth becomes cloth, and soothe becomes soothe. Next, magic E also changes the meaning of a word entirely. Like buy becomes buy, but here the buy is come by my house, and this is bye bye. Heavy is heavy, and then heave is, breathing, heave. So I hope these were clear to you, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.